Hi guys, it's Marky. I got the Little Debbie Lemon Spring Mini Muffins. It brings 4 muffins per pouch and it has 5 pouches inside. We're trying out some snacks today. Oh man, I'm excited. All right, let's get this one open. These are never easy to open up, especially when you really want to get them open quick. Ah, destroying the box. All right, let's see. That's what they look like. Let's open it up. Man, they're tiny, guys. They're really tiny. Look at this. Let's try it. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It needs something like a little bit dry. Not super moist, just a little bit dry. So I got a few things that I brought out. Let's try maybe some ice cream. What do you think? I'll put it on the spoon there. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we can get some of that off. Some ice cream with it. I got the, what's that called? Vanilla ice cream. That helps. It makes it a little more moist. Okay, so what I tried was, I need this vanilla bean. Tastes good with the vanilla bean. What else can we put on it? How about if I cut it in half? Let's try that. Cut it in half. Cut it in half, and then we can. I'm gonna add some jam because I don't have strawberry, so let's add some grape jam. I was thinking maybe like yeah, strawberry jam would be good, like, you know, lemon strawberry kind of thing. So let's try a little grape jam, which I do love. Put that on there. Let's see. That's what it looks like. See, that's really good. Grape jam with a lemon muffin. Wow. Who would have thought? That is really good. Yeah. Oh my God. What a great idea. Have some water. Ah, yeah. That's good. What else can we do? How about I cut one in half and let's see, maybe with a Reese's Pieces. Reese's. I got all kinds of stuff here. I brought out whatever snacks we had so I can add them to the thing, but this is crazy. Look at this. I'm gonna put the Reese's Pieces on there. Top it up. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that funny? It looks kind of like a cheeseburger. But yeah, let's see what happens with this. It's good, but it's weird. That's so weird. All right. I thought maybe I can heat one up, add butter, and I don't know, add butter to it, and maybe butter. What do you think? Lemon muffin with some butter and some syrup. What would that be like? Let me see. Let me get a plate. Pop it in here. Put like a just a few seconds. Yeah, it's a little warmer there. Let me get some butter. Get some butter. Try this. Cut it in half. Put some butter on it. Let me get a knife. Forgot to get my knife ready. I can put some butter on it. And I don't know, I feel like I gotta warm it up a little more. Got some butter on there. Let's warm it up a little bit, see what happens. Butter and Jemima syrup. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my God. I've never done this before. This is funny. And I got a fork here. Let me see. Is that gonna work? Oh my God. It tastes like pancakes or flapjacks. Oh my God. My famous flying flapjacks. That's actually really good. It's like instant pancakes, I guess. No, I like that. Oh my God. That's like really, it really is like eating flapjacks. I don't know. I feel like I need to clean my palate a little bit. Maybe I'll try some chocolate chips. Open this up. Oh, I already ate them all. I got like a little piece here. That's weird though. That's weird. Put some chocolate chips on there. What do you think? Some chocolate chips and some whipped cream. Maybe I'll put it like ready to go. Ready right there. Some of the lemon on there. Get some whipped cream. Let me grab another spoon. There, got another spoon. Get some ice cream. Oh no, I was gonna put whipped cream, not ice cream. Let's try this. This one's closed. This one's open. Let's try Ready Whip. Oh man, why was I thinking ice cream? Okay, chocolate chips, ice cream, chocolate chip, ice cream. Here we go. I mean, whipped cream, not ice cream. Yeah, it works. It works. I guess there's a lot you can do with Little Debbie Lemon Spring Mini Muffins. There's a lot you can do. I even thought of maybe adding like some of these. I got these, oh, but I ran out. I got a few pieces here. Let's see what it tastes like if I add maybe some salty. Let's try this. Sun Chips, 100% whole grain garden salsa. No, not that one. There we go. Let's try it like that. Just put it right on top of there. Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh my God. It goes with anything. It actually tastes good. That's crazy. Wow, I actually like it. It kind of like, you have the garden salsa is very tasty, so you have that with the lemon thing. Man, that works for me. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.